how to fix Snapchat loading problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat loading problem on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Snapchat and click on it. It's easy. First just click force stop. Here is it, force stop, click on it and then go to storage and click clear cache, and after that just go back, restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to close all the applications in the background and then go clean some space, and that's it. And don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.